Here we are. It's another year.
Merry Christmas.
We're at Ethel's chocolate factory.
To get our free chocolates.
Here on the east side of Las Vegas. Right, here's the map. We're about to embark upon a journey. And here's the front. So we're gonna get our free chocolate. Here we go. Here it is. We're through there. They have a little factory in here. A lot of insideness, and over here. Check it out.
So we got the beautiful gardens. Get a nice cup of hot chocolate. Stay nice and warm while we're looking there. We have the inside tour through the factory. They're doing a few different things throughout. You can kind of see there. Mr. Dave has a little taste of chocolate.
Here's where the magic happens in here. You see? They're making these.
Not much magic right now, but I already got my magic here.
Here's our taster sample right there. Yeah. Cooling tables. Right, here's a chocolate covered strawberry and orange, various other things. But they do come at a slight price, $5. Right, here's more of the action here. We've got hard hats. You know why they wear hard hats? Because it's hard chocolate. There's a chance from the Vegas nights eating people.
I mean, honestly,
The ones that shake up like
A white Christmas. Right, here it is. Let's go. Okay. So here in Vegas, we don't have Christmas trees. We have cactus trees. See? Everything is a cactus. Because that's what grows here. Actually, no, they don't, because there's not enough water for a cactus.
kind of a tree.
You know that's true.
It's trying to die, but it's a tree.
This awesome song. Been waiting for this. It's sung by a 2-year-old boy.
Mamacita. ¿Dónde?
Look, do you want Yule Aid? Root there.
I'm gonna get the Yule Aid.
Yeah? Not the Ginger Noel. Oh my Merry Christmas. Look at all the deer here, look. Right, together for Christmas, they took the penguins from Antarctica and married them together with a North Pole polar bear. But imagine the flights and the costs in doing that.
I'm trying to walk.
One day for Christmas. Oh, see my Christmas.
As soon as I went to get the sponsors.
My little cactus. Cha cha cha. Peacocks so chilling up. Little Christmas Eiffel Towers, I guess.
On the other side.
Some Christmas arches.